Hi, today we are discussing Grade 10 Mathematics chapter Quadratic Equations. Only very important questions only we are discussing today. Basic question we'll discuss later. So, not that much weightage is not there from this chapter. Anyway, mainly we are discussing today based on discriminant. Quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a, in which b square minus 4ac we are calling discriminant. If the discriminant are real and equal, we have condition b square minus 4ac equal to what? 0. Discriminant, I mean the roots are, if the roots are what? Real and equal, then the discriminant will be what? 0. That means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So the first question you can note. If minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation, if minus 5 is a root of the quadratic equation, 2x square plus px, 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0, minus 15 equal to 0, and the quadratic equation p into x square plus x, p into x square plus x plus k equal to 0, plus k equal to 0 has equal roots, find the value of p and k. Find the value of p and k. Don't forget, first part they given minus 5 is the root. What do you mean by minus 5 is the root? Root means that's the value of x. Don't forget, minus 5 is the root of only this equation, not this equation. Minus 5 is the root of this equation means that is the value of x. Value of x just substituted, that is, you have to start like that. Given that minus 5 is the root of the equation, given that minus 5 is the root of the equation, 2x square plus px minus 15 equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into minus 5 square plus p into minus 5 minus 15 equal to 0, minus 5 square 25, 2 into 25 how much? It will be 50. Minus 5p minus 15 equal to 0. Now, minus 5p I am going to transpose to other side. So, you people will get 35 equal to 5p and p equal to how much? 7. 5 I bring it down. So, p equal to 7. Don't forget, minus 5 is the root of this equation, not this equation. So, we got the value p equal to 7. The second equation becomes, we got the value p equal to 7, just substitute here. Second equation becomes 7 into x square plus x plus k equal to 0. Is it 7 into x square plus x plus k equal to 0? Or we can say 7x square plus 7x plus k equal to 0. I opened the bracket. Sorry, this is only for this one. Okay, 7 into x square plus x plus k equal to 0, 7x square plus 7x plus k equal to 0. Now this condition, I told you minus 5 is the root of this equation, not this equation. This equation has equal roots, it is there in the question. Given that it has equal roots, given that it has equal roots, given that it has what? Equal roots. What is the condition for the equal roots? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, B square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is A? 7. What is B? That's also 7. A equal to 7, B equal to 7, C equal to how much? K. So substitute it. 7 square minus 4 into 7 into K equal to 0. 49 equal to 28k. 4 into 7, 28. So 49 by 8 28 equal to what? K. k equal to how much? 7 by 4. K equal to how much? 7 by 4. Why? I divided it. Now we got the value of P equal to 7 and K is how much? 7 by 4. Don't forget about this one, and please not this one, and second question will come now. Okay, next one. Similar way, one more we can do. If 1 is a root of the quadratic equation, if 1 is a root of the quadratic equation, 3x square plus ax minus 2 equal to 0. 1 is the root of the quadratic equation, 3x square plus ax minus 2 equal to 0. And the quadratic equation, a into x square plus 6x minus b equal to 0, and the quadratic equation a into x square plus 6x minus b equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of b. Find the value of b. That's the equal roots. Find the value of what? B. Same way, given that 1 is the root of 3x square plus ax minus 2 equal to 0, I told you root means that's the value of x. That is, given that 1 is the root of the equation 3x square plus ax minus 2 equal to 0, 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 minus 2 equal to 0. 1 square is 1 only, so 3 plus a minus 2 equal to 0, a plus 1 equal to 0, a equal to how much? Minus 1. Don't forget, 1 is the root of this equation, not this equation. Therefore, second equation becomes what? A is how much? Minus 1. So, minus 1 into x square plus 6x minus b equal to 0. This can be written like this. If you want, you can multiply throughout y. Throughout how much? Negative. So, negative 1. So, it will be, implies, it can be written as x square plus 6x plus b equal to 0. X square plus 6x plus b equal to 0. It has what? Given that it has equal roots. So what is the condition? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You know b how much? 6. 6 square minus 4 into a means coefficient of x square how much? 1 into b equal to 0. So 36 equal to what? 4b. B equal to how much? 9. We got the value of a and b. I hope you understood this both question. Please note it. It's an important question. Now we are discussing the next one, third one. Okay, third question. You know, last year you learned many identities. In that one of the identities, this one. A plus b plus c whole square equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Like that one identity you learn. In this identity, I want to tell something. Reverse process we want to do. Suppose if it is given a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac, how we can write reverse? Of course, you know the reverse thing is what? A plus b plus c whole square. Instead of this one, suppose they given like this. Listen, they given a negative sign if it is there. Here one negative sign. Always two negative sign will be there. Now what will be the result? It is not that much difficult. Anyway, this side negative sign won't come because it is a square. Square of any number is always what? Positive. So in this case, which variable is common you have to check, not the number. In this case, C is common. You please check the negative terms which one are there, in which variables are common. C is common, so the C sign you have to keep a negative sign. A plus B minus C will come. Suppose instead of this one, minus sign suppose here. Minus 2ab and minus 2ac, which variable is common? You can see a is common, so a will be negative, all other will be positive. I hope you understood it. It's a grade 9 topic only. So please write the question. Now grade 10 question we are discussing. If the roots of the equation, b minus c into x square, roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0, if the roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0, then prove that 2b equal to a plus c. Then prove that 2b equal to a plus c. 2b equal to a plus c. Very simple question only. Just try to understand. Given that the roots of the equation, b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b equal to 0 are equal. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Why I used capital letters? Because already small letters I used over here to avoid the confusion. Nothing else. So here a how much? A equal to what? B minus c. B equal to what? C minus a. And c equal to what? A minus b. Now substitute the values. C minus a whole square minus 4 into b minus c into a minus b equal to 0. I just substituted it. Now we have to expand. What is c minus a whole square? C square minus 2ac plus a square. You know what is a minus b whole square? Minus 4 into, open the bracket, b into ab minus b square minus ac plus bc equal to what? 0. Open the bracket, c square minus 2ac plus a square minus 4ab plus 4b square plus 4ac minus 4bc equal to 0. Now all square terms I am writing together. All square terms. First one I wrote a square, alphabetic order, a square. Next here 4b square is there. 4b square can I write 2b whole square, because 4b square is what? 2b whole square only, that I wrote. Then c square. I wrote this term and this term. Next ab term, this is the ab term, minus 4ab. Next bc term, this is the bc term, minus 4bc. Next, be careful, here minus 2ac and plus 4ac is there. 4ac minus 2ac is what? Plus 2ac equal to 0. Now I am using this result, what you learned last year. That one I am using, very simple only. Just write these three terms, a, 2b and c. Equal to 0 you write. And square also. I am using that result, reverse process, I already told you. But here these two terms you please check. The negative term, which variable is common? B is common. If B is common, that term will be negative, all others will be positive. So negative term, which one? This 2, in which B is common. So B, why 2B came, you understood I think from here. So A minus 2B plus C equal to 0. So A minus 2B plus C equal to 0, because square and transposed equal to 0. So A plus C equal to what? 2b. This only we want to prove. Hence the proof 2b equal to a plus c. I hope you understood it. Repeatedly watch it and write. Okay. Okay. Next one. If the equation if the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, then prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Very simple question and repeatedly asked one. Right now, given that the equation 1 plus m square into x square 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. You know why I use the capital letters. So a equal to how much? 1 plus m square. B equal to how much? 2mc, the coefficient of x, and the constant term is the complete thing without x. Now substitute, it will be 2mc whole square 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square equal to 0. What is 2mc whole square? It will be 4m square c square, you know, loss of exponents. Minus 4, let it be the outside. Please open this bracket. 1 into c square, 1 into minus a square, m square c square. Finally, minus m square a square equal to 0. Now, we can divide throughout by 4 if you want. It's not compulsory. Anyway, at the end it will be there. So, 4 cancel here as well as here because it should be common for all. Then only we can divide it. Now the balance thing, m square c square, this minus you take inside, what will be? Minus c square, minus into minus plus a square, minus into this one, minus m square c square, minus into this one, plus m square a square. Don't forget, I just opened the bracket. So the like terms we can cancel. Which one? M square c square, m square I cancelled. And there is a negative term. This I am going to transpose to other side. So the balance thing, what will be? A square plus m square a square will be left side. This term and this term. Minus c square we can take the other side equal to c square. What is common? You can see common term a square into 1 plus m square equal to what? C square. Please observe it. Just b square minus 4ac equal to 0 I applied. After that just done the proceeding and I got this one. So try to understand, it's also important question. And now we discussed, I think 4 questions we discussed. Now 4 more questions will come. Okay. Hi. Next question. Solve 1 by a plus 1 by b plus solve 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x equal to 1 by a plus b plus x. 1 by a plus b plus x. This is the next question. It's also previously asked. The important thing, a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0, x not equal to 0. Why? Because rational number definition is a number in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0. So that's a condition. How we can solve it? Listen carefully. First you people have to transpose which one look like same, that is one side. Not look like same, all except term we are keeping other side. So left side will be 1 by a plus 1. This is the easy way, otherwise step will be more. A plus b plus x minus 1 by x will be there. Now take LCM. Take LCM means cross multiplication. So b plus a by AB will be there. This into this divided in plus this into this divided by AB. Now right side also same thing, but don't forget there is a minus there. 1 into x minus of a plus b plus x whole divided by a plus b plus x into what? X. Now cancellation. You can cancel this x and this x because there is a negative sign. Now what? A plus b or b plus a both are same because you know addition is what? Commutative, equal to minus of a plus b. Is it minus of a plus b? This you can open ax plus bx plus x square. So you can cut a plus b and a plus b. Both in numerator we can cut. Why? Because this multiplication will go as division. But don't forget there is a minus. So it will be minus 1. Now cross multiplication. Bring this side. Ax plus bx plus x square equal to minus ab because there is a negative sign. After that x square plus ax plus bx. This when we are transposing it will be what? Ab equal to 0. Splitting the middle term easily we can do. What is common in both? You can see x is common. So x into x plus a plus b into x plus a equal to 0. So x plus a common in both. X plus a into x plus b equal to what? 0. X equal to what? Minus a. X equal to what? Minus b. I hope you understood it. Just repeatedly how to watch. I hope it's clear. Please see. Okay. Now next question, similar type only. A small change I am going to make. Okay. Please see. Next question. Solve 1 by a plus 1 by 2b minus 1 by x equal to 1 by a plus 2b minus x. The similar way we can do it. A plus 2b minus x. So the same procedure. Minus 1 by x you transpose. So it will be 1 by a plus 1 by 2b equal to 1 by a plus 2b minus x plus 1 by x will be the, like that we have to proceed. See, plus 1 by x. Now take LCM. It will be 2b plus a divided by a into 2b 2ab equal to x plus a plus 2b minus x divided by a plus 2b minus x into x. I hope you understood it. Here x and x we can cut. A plus 2b by 2ab equal to a plus 2b by, open the bracket, ax plus 2bx minus what? X square. You can cut a plus 2b and a plus 2b you can cut. Now cross multiplication, ax plus 2b x minus x square equal to what? 2ab. Now completely you transpose to other side to get x square as a positive term. So x square minus ax minus 2bx plus 2ab, this one. Plus 2ab already after the equal sign only. So this when we are transposing it will be. Now the common term you take it outside. You know how to do that. What? X into what? X minus a minus 2b into what? Minus 2, sorry. Here x square minus ax, okay. Here you can take what? Minus 2b, you can take it outside. X minus a will be the, is it? Minus 2b when we are taking x minus a. So common term, splitting the middle term, I think already you know, that's why. X minus a into x minus 2b equal to what? 0. So x equal to what? X equal to a or x equal to what? 2b. Please check it. See, please check. I hope you understood this one also. Okay. The similar type, there is a chance to ask. If it is plus 1 by x when we are transposing minus 1 by x. If it is minus 1 by x when we are transposing, it will be what? Plus 1 by x. These are the important questions. Now after that we'll do word problem in next part. This is the part 1. Okay. Please note this one. This is the part 1. Okay. Thank you.